Hi there, if you're new to my channel, my name is Christine, and I love to make these amazing lunchbox note cards that you can slip into your child's backpack, their lunch kit, give to a spouse or a partner, or add to a gift you're giving a friend. This is a special time of year, and in the spirit of Thanksgiving, I want to show you how to craft the most amazing Thanksgiving cards that have minimal effort but maximum effect using gold foil. So if you want to see more projects like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any projects that I'll be showcasing in the near future. Let's get crafting.